Good morning to one and all present here. Dear viewers, today we will tackle a very important topic in English language, that is direct and indirect speech. In previous classes, you have been taught, I know, as far as I concern, I have already taught you. So, direct and indirect speech we will discuss one by one. But in your class 10th, this does not come in single sentence as a single sentence, but it comes as a dialogue form. So first of all, we will understand the rules of direct indirect. After that, we will discuss all the rules one by one, and then I'll show you how to solve a dialogue based direct to indirect speech. So direct is there and indirect is there. So first of all, let us understand what is direct speech. Direct speech is the original speech of anyone without any changes. It means when you quote the same sentence of anybody's in anywhere, so that will be direct speech. And indirect speech, direct speech will be changed without changing its meaning. It means we have to change the structure of direct speech, and we have to use some changes like pronoun changes, tense changes, using conjunctions. But by doing all these things, we change the structure of the sentence, not the meaning of the sentence. So finally, direct speech is the original speech of a speaker without any changes, that is written in inverted comma, and indirect speech is the speech that we change in our own words without changing the meaning of the original sentence. This direct speech is of 5 kinds. First one is assertive. Second one, interrogative. Third one, imperative. Fourth, exclamatory. And fifth, optative. Now, very quickly, let us understand how to identify the sentences, because I have observed in students the problem of identifying a particular sentence. So, assertive sentence, it will always begin with the subject. Interrogative sentence beginning with helping verb or question word. Imperative sentence beginning with first form the verb, do not plus first form the verb, let plus object plus first form the verb. Exclamatory sentence beginning with exclamation words, hurrah, alas, bravo. Optative sentence beginning with may. In optative sentence, whenever you end the sentence, you give an exclamation mark. In exclamatory sentence, exclamation mark is also there. Only the difference is that exclamatory sentence begins with exclamation word and optative sentence with may. Now, how to just change direct speech into indirect speech? So first I'll write down one example. This is there, a sentence is there on the blackboard. I said to him, you have to go. In this sentence, you are getting two parts of the sentence. This is reporting verb, and the second part is reported speech. Now, this is the direct speech. You can see within one comma there is a sentence. and we have to change it into indirect speech. So for that, what we have to do, we have to follow some certain rules. And the rule says, if you notice, first we have to go in reporting verb, and reporting verb rule says that if say word is there, that will be changed into say in reported speech. If say to is there, that will be tell. If says is there, that will be says. If says to is there, that will be tells. If said is there, that will be said. If said to is there, that will be told. It means as soon as you enter the reporting verb, you have some certain changes of the verb, and the verb will come this one. Like a reporting verb will be in just present, past and future, all tenses. We are talking only of assertive. If you understand assertive well, I hope very easily you can understand interrogative, imperative, exclamatory and optative sentences. It will be very, very easier to you. So say will be say to will be tell, says will be says to will be tells, said will be said, and said to will be told. We use conjunction that to combine reporting verb with the reported speech. After that, the changes of tense will be there, that we will notice very soon. Changes of tense. I am just categorizing it: direct, indirect. If in direct speech, present and definite tense is there, so that will be changed into past indefinite. If present continuous is there, that will be changing to past continuous. If present perfect is there, that will be changing to past perfect. If present perfect continuous is there, that will be changing to past perfect continuous. If past indefinite is there, that will be past perfect. If past continuous is there, that will be changed into past perfect continuous. This is the verb that tense that go under a change into the same corresponding past tense. Like all the present will go into the same corresponding past tense. Only past indefinite will go into past perfect, and past continuous will go into past perfect continuous. Okay, so the condition of changing tense. One is there, that if the reporting verb is in present or future tense. If reporting verb will be present or future tense in reported speech, it means this portion no tense change will be there. It means reporting verb present future tense, reported speech no tense change. If reporting verb will be past tense, reported speech tense will also be changed into past. How will that change occur? I have already told you present indefinite into past indefinite, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous, past indefinite into past perfect, and past continuous into past perfect continuous. Exception of the rule is also there. If reporting verb is in past tense, but in reported speech there is universal truth, habitual fact, historical fact, proverb. If we find any one of these qualities in reported speech, then we will not change the tense of reported speech, although reporting verb will be in past tense. This is the exception of the rule. So now the pronoun changes will be there, that I will discuss in the next part, because the video will be very large and it will be very difficult for you to watch it. So I think revise all this rule, note down it into your copies, maintain a proper copy of grammar. Till that very time, just read it, memorize it, keep it in your mind. I'll come with second part and other changes. Thank you. Have a nice day.